What's up, everybody? We out here living in Washington, D.C. Day three. Today's Sunday, Easter Sunday. We're just kind of hanging out in DuPont Circle. I'm with Renzo right now, over here somewhere. We're going to get tickets to the Underground Museum, or Art Gallery, this thing. And we're just kind of hanging out today. It's about lunchtime right now, and we're gonna go check out the city. So a couple facts about this art gallery. It's actually an old train station that runs under Union Square. Everybody tagged it up, but then if we go down there, it's an audio installation that we're gonna check out in a minute.
So what we have right now is an exhibit called The Wind That Blows Is All That Anybody Knows, and it's by an artist named Eric Dixon, who's based out of New York. He's actually a physics teacher at NYU. And what he's done is he has recorded a bunch of vignettes about what people's stories might have been on the tracks in the 1940s. So as you move through the space, you'll hear all these different voices overlapping. You'll hear some wind blowing. You might hear the sounds of the trolley. Some of the voices are obvious. They're on the wall in these boxes. Some of them are in cracks in the wall, or just sort of whispers that you almost can't understand. So I encourage you to explore the space.
The street, they'd be there to help you out. You never doubted that things
That's it.
would just keep
We're out.
better and better.
Hold on, so that was just like a quarter circle around.
That's a quarter circle, yeah. Because we got in.
So we went from over there by the Starbucks over there.
This is this side.
Oh, that's cool. So there's more.
There's more, but I guess for this exhibit, they just did.
So that's why it was blocked off then. It went the full circle. Want me to get an Uber?
Sure.
All right, so we decided to take a stop, and now we're on a boat in Georgetown.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire.
Quick update, we're hiking up the stairs that are the stairs from the Exorcist movie. And golly, these things are steep. Look at this. Look at the way down. Quick little update, Renzo and I made it to Georgetown University. We're inside right now, the oldest building on the campus. In 1778, they built this building. And look at this. Whoa, look at the courtyard.
My desire.
Quick little update, we out here living in Foggy Bottom, Washington, D.C. So around this area is George Washington University. I'm actually right by the George Washington Hospital right now. Just dropped off Renzo, and we had a great time. We went just exploring the city some more. Now I'm heading home because I'm pretty tired. I am like exhausted from all this walking, so right now I'm just zooming back to the Airbnb. All right, out here living. It's the evening of Sunday. I don't know the exact date. I said it earlier. Riding down to the Capitol building right now on the boosted board. Going to catch the sunset, so let's ride.
Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean.
All right, everybody. That's the end of day, I don't know, Sunday. Had a great time. Just got done with the Lincoln Memorial. You guys will enjoy some of that footage, but thanks again for watching, everybody. It's been awesome, the response I've been getting from these videos. Have a great day, and see you soon. See you tomorrow.